Hello audiences, this is Top Computing. I am Sgano Agwata. In this video, I want to show you how we can draw a pattern using Python, for loop. So we may draw the pattern of asterisks, rectangular pattern, square pattern, or triangular triangle pattern, and many type of patterns. So let me start. I have to create a Python file. Pattern .py. For example, if I want to draw a asterisk pattern of a rectangular shape or a square shape 5 by 5 for I in range 5, for I in range 5, for I in range 5, and for j in range 5, for j in range 5, j in range 5. What's the problem here? Print simply asterisk, print asterisk, and to make space between two asterisks, we write like this: end is equals to space and j plus equals to 1. Increment the j by 1. And here I plus equals to 1. Increment I by 1. After completing one row, it should be, or the cursor should be, or the next row should be displayed in the next line. So to make that, we will write like this: print function. We call print function. Just run. Here it is. So we can make like this shape. Another one, for example, a right triangle shape. Print triangular shape. So for I in range 5, for I in range 5, for j in range 5, for j in range 5, for j in range 5, if j is equal to 1, sorry, I. If j is equal to I, print asterisk, and make space between the asterisk, and then increment the value of j. And here we increase the value of I. Finally, print. We call the print function. Okay, let me check. So, what is this? Oh. I write these functions inside the for loop, sorry. It should be outside of the for loop. And it should be also here. Check. What about now? Triangular shape. I can't get the triangular shape because this is JE. Then run. This is the triangular shape here. Now, what about if we want to inverse or reverse this triangular shape? Reverse this triangular shape. Let me copy this code. Let me check this. Okay. Now to invert this triangular form, we can use this formula if j less than 4 minus I. That means j iterates from 0 up to 4 because in a range 5. This is in a range 5. So if j less than 4 minus I means when I is equal to 0, j less than 4 minus 0, that means 4. So I starts from 0 up to and go to up to the value of this result 4. So initially j0 we permit or we write the code to display this space if j less than 4. So j0 less than 4, okay, j0 less than 4, okay, j0 less than 4, okay, j1 less than 4, j2 less than 4, j3 less than 4, j equals to 4, that is less than 4, it is not correct. So while j equals to 4, it will print asterisk. Besides this, or we erase the code, if j is not less than 4, print this asterisk, And after completing the j for loop, it jumps to I for loop, and I increment by 1, I now is equals to 1. So 4 minus 1, it is 3. So just start from 0 at the second row. This starts from 0, 0 less than 3, correct, it displays space. 1 less than 3, correct, it displays the space. 2 less than 3, correct, it display space. And j 3 less than 3, it is false, so it jumps to else statement and displays asterisk. And j4, now j will be 4, 4 less than 3, it is false, it jumps to else statement, it displays the second asterisk. Now j increment by 1 and j will be this 5. If that means the for loop is until j is up to 5, not including 5. That means j should be go to 4, up to 4. J should be up to 4. Now the j for loop is completed and jump to the I for loop, increment I by 1 and I now key 2. Then 4 minus 2 is equals to 2. J start from 0, 0 less than 2, correct, okay, at the third row, 1 space, j less than 1, it's correct, that means because 1 is, j is now, j is 1, so 1 less than 2, it's correct, another space, and 2 less than 2, it is incorrect or false, jump to the asterisk, to display asterisk, then it will display the first asterisk, j is now 3 less than 2, false, so it will display asterisk, the second asterisk. J now 4 less than 2, it is false, so jump to else statement, it will display asterisk, the third asterisk. Now it completes the j for loop, jumps to increment I. Now I is 3. 4 minus 3, it is 1. J start from 0. So 0 less than 1, correct, it will display space. And j now increment by 1, j is now 1. 1 less than 1, incorrect. If it's incorrect, jump to else statement, it will display asterisk. display asterisk here, and j is equals to now j is now 2 less than 1. It's incorrect, so it displays asterisk. j2 2 less than 1, incorrect, it displays asterisk. j3 3 less than 1, it is false, it displays asterisk. And j4 4 less than 2, it is false, so it executes its statement asterisk, so it displays asterisk here. Now it completes the j4 loop, jumps to I is now 4. I is now 4. Now 4 less than, or j less than 4 minus 4. 4 minus 4 is 0. So j start from 0. 0 less than 0. It is false. So it is not execute now. It is not execute now. So it jumps to print asterisk here. Starts from asterisk. j1 1 less than 0, false, starts display asterisk. j2 2 less than 0, false, so it display asterisk. And continue up to the last value of j, that is 4. So it can be displayed like this. It can be displayed like this. Okay, this is all about drawing or displaying different patterns of asterisk using cascaded for loop. So until we meet by the next video, have a nice time.